So this is going to be a quick unboxing of the new DJI OM5. This is the company's latest smartphone stabilizer. It just has some improvements over the last year's model, the OM5, one of which is like a extension pole, so it can be used as more of a selfie stick. It's also smaller in size and should be lighter. So let's dig inside the box. So in the box we have some just instructions over here, a little kind of quick start guide and whatnot, and then here is the stabilizer itself. So it still uses the same kind of magnetic attachment system as the previous model, and the overall size of it is much smaller and much more pocketable. Here's the OM4 on next to it. As you can see, it's much smaller in size. Still charges via USB-C. You have a joystick, record button, switcher button, LED indicator for battery life and whatnot, zoom, power and mode switcher, and then a trigger on the back. So here's the kind of clamp for the OM5, and it just magnetically attaches. DJI has said that they've made improvements to the actual clamp, so then it should be able to hold bigger, wider phones and phones with cases on. Else inside the box, you get a kind of stand for it, so you can prop it up like this. Also in the box, this is for kind of a spacer for smaller phones, USB-C to Type A cable, a strap, and then in here we have a cloth bag to keep it in. Also, in addition to the OM5, DJI will be offering some accessories such as a light attachment, which we have here. This light attachment, it basically attaches on to OM5, and then you can use it for some lighting for your photos and whatnot. And this also charges via USB-C. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the DJI OM5.